with modern advancements in automotive tech. Even comfortable 5-seaters are able to rocket themselves to speeds past the highest performing supercars. When it comes to superfast luxury midsize sedan, Mercedes-AMG C63S and Audi RS5 Sportback is top 2 on the list. In this video, I'm going to walk you around C63S and RS5. Please subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you won't miss any new video. Thank you. Muscular. Aggressive. These words can be used to describe Mercedes-AMG C63S. It shares an updated exterior with the rest of the C-Class family. The front-end Panamericana grille, quad-exit exhausts, and AMG-specific 19-inch wheels, with a new diffuser wrapped around the exhaust and air intakes, all set the C63S apart from its non-AMGs. LED headlights, and a special fender accent, with AMG badges, also help the C63S stand out. A sunroof is standard, and panoramic is optional. The C63S also gets a limited slip differential, a race start launch control function, high-performance braking components, and a performance exhaust system. Standard features now include keyless access and hands-free trunk-lid control. C63S is powered by 4.0-liter bi-turbo V8, producing 503 horsepower and 516 pound-foot of torque. 9-speed automatic transmission, with rear-wheel drive, and can sprint from 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. Inside, the C-Class feels like Mercedes' flagship S-Class, with typically solid build quality, and an abundance of high-end materials. With an impressive sound system, as well as numerous comfort features that include standard heated front seats, bright aluminum, slathers of Alcantara, and dashes of carbon fiber. A 10.25-inch digital central display dominates the dashboard, its functions accessible using controls on the center console, and the steering wheel. For 2020, a Burmester premium surround sound system is standard, along with 64-color ambient interior lighting. Special to these C-Class performance models is an AMG-specific gauge cluster with performance menus. A 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster is optional. The 2020 Audi RS5 Sportback is the pinnacle of a high-performance sports sedan. The new RS5 Sportback gets an edgier appearance, updated technology, and additional features for 2020. The most obvious revisions to the outside are its wider front grille and redesigned headlights. The 2020 Audi RS5 Sportback receives some styling and features upgrades for the new model year. RS5 Sportback now features a more modern that makes the car look sportier and more aggressive. The RS5 Sportback's sleek and sexy exterior styling has been enhanced for 2020, specifically with a wider and flatter single-frame grille. Under the hood, however, things remain the same. 2020 Audi RS5 Sportback is powered by 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, producing 444 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque. Paired 8-speed automatic transmission. Quattro all-wheel drive system is standard. Inside, the RS5 Sportback shows off the company's design quality. The driver faces a handsome flat-bottom steering wheel, behind which sits a large 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. The RS5's cabin is also highlighted by intricately stitched seats that feature heated and cooled surfaces as well as massaging functions for front seat passengers. The car's lengthy roster of standard equipment includes ambient interior lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and 3-zone climate control. Also a head-up display, and Nappa leather upholstery. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.